In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell stock on TradingView. We'll start from a fresh browser, find the right stock, open the trading tools, choose the right order type, set risk controls, and then send the order confidently. Begin by heading to your search engine and typing TradingView. In the results, click the official link titled TradingView, Track All Markets. This brings you to the home page. From here, click Products to get familiar with the available tools, then move into the charting interface where you'll see the symbol search at the top of the screen. Click into symbol search. You can manually type the ticker of the stock you want to sell or switch to the Stocks tab to browse and choose from listed equities. When you've selected the symbol, the chart will load for that stock. Next, click Trade. This opens the trading panel. If you prefer a ladder-style interface, click DOM, which stands for Depth of Market. It shows live bids and asks and lets you place orders directly from the price ladder. If you'd rather use a classic ticket, click Order to bring up the order form. Select the sell side. This indicates you're closing or opening a position by selling shares. Now, review your order type by clicking through the options. Stop, limit, and market. Market sells execute immediately at current market prices. Limit sells let you set a minimum price you're willing to accept. Stop sells trigger once price hits your stop level, often used to protect gains or limit downside. Clicking each option shows the fields you need to fill, so choose the one that matches your intention. Click Shares and enter the number of shares you want to sell. Keep an eye on the estimated value and any margin or buying power information shown in the ticket. To automate exits, click Take Profit and set a target price where you'd like the position to close favorably. Then click Stop Loss and set a protective level to limit risk if the price moves against you. If your strategy uses multiple targets or staggered stops, click Add Level to create additional exit tiers. When everything looks right, the side is sell, the order type is correct, the quantity is set, and your take profit and stop loss levels match your plan. Click Sell on the ticket to stage the order. Finally, click Send to transmit it. You should see a confirmation in the panel and, if enabled, visual markers on the chart. Review the status to make sure the order is working as intended. That's the full process for selling stock on TradingView, from finding the ticker to sending a well-structured order.